Flashback from August 22, number 3. Please enjoy. Watch the video, like and subscribe. Alright, so when I left town, I disconnected the batteries, but I made sure the tank had pressure. I wanted to see if it would hold pressure while I was out of town. Now the truck's been laid out, so when I put the truck in the on position, the battery and everything should stay recharged. I charged them while it's gone too. The compressor shouldn't kick on, but if it does, only for a second, because it was fully aired up and the pressure switch shut it off. I'm doing this because I want to see if there's a leak in it to see if I need to, re-Teflon tape lines and that sort of thing. So, wish me luck. I'm about to see what it does. Alright, so apparently there is a leak. Compressor kicked on immediately. Let me see what the deal is and I'll let you know. I'm going to let it air up and then I want to see, I'll do a video just see how fast the bags are here in a few. Okay, so I'm not sure exactly what happened here, but I went inside as I was allowing the compressor to air the tank up. Compressors to air the tank up. And I heard it inflate. It was probably maybe 5 minutes or so, but for some reason, the back airbags decided to go up. I'm not exactly sure what's going on. I'm gonna have to dig into that. Any ideas? It's been a long time since I played with bags, so I have to do some research to find out why it did that. Luckily, no damage, nothing exploded, nothing like that. It's just the airbags decided the valves decided to actuate and the rear end lifted up. The front did not. Front stayed where it was. Any ideas, guys? Let me know. All right, so I pulled the interior out. My wife's got a video of that. I'll have her post it in a little bit and tag me. But here you go. Here's the video of the what it looks like without the interior in it. I honestly do not know if this carpet's going to be salvageable or not. I'm going to do what I can. But I do find it interesting that the seats weren't bolted in and the carpet didn't have any holes, so the seats were never bolted in through this carpet. The more I find out, the more I shake my head and wonder what happened. But at the same time, it is what it is. It's no big deal. I'm going to fix it. I'm going to have fun with this. I got to figure out what I want to do back here. I think I'm going to make a custom box. Not real sure, but I need to do something. All right, so here's the start of the process anyways. Got the carpet out. I vacuumed it, got all the broken glass and debris and leaves and all that stuff off of it before I pulled it. But I'm gonna go ahead and run over it with a regular vacuum here in a minute, and then I'm gonna take my steam cleaner to it and see if I can't get this thing to come out clean. At least clean enough that I can use it. You're only gonna see so much of it, but it does need to be looking good. Right now, it don't. And right now, here's a little bit of what we have going on. So, you can see water has been getting in here. And there is some definite signs of leakage. But I'm gonna get it all cleaned up. Good thing is, it's already got Dynamat in it. Or some sort of Dynamat. I don't have to worry about it and do it. But I do gotta clean it up. It's gonna take a little bit of work, elbow grease. But that's where I'm at.
When your husband won't vacuum the house, but he'll vacuum the carpet that came out of his wonderful truck. In the driveway. I forgot to say, we're vacuuming in the driveway. So, this is what we got so far. I gotta clean this in just a minute and clean up all the dirt and all that stuff, but it looks pretty good. And I got some more cleaning to do up here, even though you really can't see it in the video. It actually looks really good, but it is still kind of dirty. I'll still have some work to do. But now that we're back, we can get this worked on, get it cleaned up, we'll get it going. Yay! So excited.
Yes, look at this, look at this.
Huh?
I got the wife working. Yeah, I know. And surprisingly, the carpet is actually, it turned out pretty damn clean. Only problem with it is, it's the wrong color. It's not tan. It's tan. It's not gray. I would figure that out. But hey, for now, it'll work. Got to work on the seats too. Seats are nasty. Take a little work. I can get it cleaned up. But when I say nasty, just so you can see. See how nasty they are? As much as we fight about stupid shit, she has the car bug just like me. It's actually raining outside, and she wants to make sure it looks good.
When your husband won't vacuum the house, but he'll vacuum the carpet that came out of his wonderful truck. In the driveway. I forgot to say, we're vacuuming in the driveway. So, this is what we got so far. I gotta clean this in just a minute, clean up all the dirt and all that stuff, but it looks pretty good. And I got some more cleaning to do up here, even though you really can't see it in the video. It actually looks really good, but it is still kind of dirty. I'll still have some work to do. But now that we're back, we can get this worked on, get it cleaned up, we'll get it going. Yay, so excited.
You know, part of being a car builder, restorer, car fanatic like me is sometimes you have to come to the junkyard. And it's sad when you do, because there's so many things out here that should not be in a junkyard. They should be saved. But unfortunately they are. I'll get a couple of pictures here in a little bit and tag them at the end of this. But what I'm doing right now is actually getting some parts for the OSB dually. It didn't have any seat belts or seat brackets, so while my wife's doing her shopping, I dropped her off. I'm out here. Gotta love Arkansas weather. 5 minutes ago it was pouring down rain, now it's dry. But hey, brackets are in the back of the truck. Seat belts are right there. I'm actually gonna sand them down, paint them, make them look better, and give you all a video once I start installing them. But right now, I'm gonna pick the wife up from her happy place and get home and get back to work at it. Hopefully the weather stays clear so I can actually get to work on it. Good morning. So now I'm gonna work on the truck again today. Today is the day everybody's been asking for. I am going to try and get it running. Keyword, try, because I don't know what all this truck needs. But first thing I've got to do is clean it up. So I have set myself up my little tent here just so I can stay out of the sun, because yesterday I got a little sunburn on my back from being out there getting all the seat tracks and shit like that. Anyways, so here we go. Gonna get this going. First thing I got to do though is in here, I got to clean up everything. There's way too much debris. Now luckily none of this is a rat nest that I found. So first things I got to do is clean all this up. I'm going to do that, and then I'll give y'all an update soon as I'm done. But that's the first thing. It's going to take me a little bit of time, but again, I'm kind of OCD when it comes to this stuff. I want to make sure it's right before I do anything. I don't want to hurt anything. So that's where I'm at. I'll give y'all a video later.